Hello friends and welcome to our first class. If you are watching this, you are probably someone who knows a lot of English words, but when it is time to speak, everything gets confused. You know the words, but you don't know how to connect them. You don't know how to build a sentence. You don't know how to use them while talking. Trust me, this is the problem of 90% of English learners, and today we start fixing it. Not all at once, not everything together. We will open one lock at a time. We will look at each tense carefully. We will understand it and then practice it. So let us begin. Look at the formula on your screen right now. This formula is your base. Every sentence we speak today will follow this formula only. Remember this. My sentences will never go outside this formula. So keep your eyes on the formula and your ears on my words. Now, while you listen, do not look anywhere else. Do not check your phone. Do not think about anything else. Just listen carefully, just watch the formula. Your only job right now is to listen and understand. One more thing, the PDF of all sentences is in the description below. Download it. If you do not understand any sentence, just copy it and paste it in Google Translate. Read it in your own language, understand it and come back. Alright, formula is on your screen, PDF is in the description, your focus is here. Let us now begin one sentence at a time. First, we will take a positive sentence in the simple present tense, in which we will see how simple sentences are formed using I, we, you and they. Pay attention to the formula and then pay attention to the sentence. This will help you understand how this English is being formed. Now, from here on, I will read the sentence. You listen carefully and practice it. And most importantly, you have to remember it. You have to remember clearly which rule is being applied in which place and keep it in your notebook. I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth after waking up. I drink tea every morning. I eat breakfast before going to school. I take a bath every morning. I sit on the chair every evening. I sleep on the bed every night. I keep my books on the table. I watch TV after dinner. I open the window every morning. I carry a bag to school every day. I write with a pen in class. I read my textbook every evening. I sit on the bench in class. I drink water from my bottle in school. I carry the bag at the market. I love mangoes in summer. I walk on the footpath every day. I wait for the bus at the bus stop. I cross the road carefully. I buy a ticket before boarding the bus. I love my family very much. I help my mother every day. I talk to my father every evening. I water the plants every morning. I love the rain. I sit under the tree in the evening. I study for 2 hours every night. I read a book before sleeping. I keep my phone away at night. I sleep at 10 every night. I check my bag for the next day. I exercise every morning. I drink 2 liters of water daily. We pray together every morning. We eat breakfast as a family. We clean our house every Sunday. We eat dinner together every night. We sit on the sofa in the evening. We study together every evening. We sit in the front row in class. We go to the market every Sunday. We buy rice and dal every week. We travel by bus every day. We wait for the train at the station. We respect our elders. We celebrate festivals together. We live happily as a family. We go to the garden every morning. We enjoy the cool breeze in the evening. We talk after dinner every night. We switch off the lights before sleeping. You wake up late on Sundays. You drink coffee every morning. You keep your clothes in the cupboard. You lock the door at night. You carry a geometry box to school. You wear your school uniform every day. You carry money in your pocket. You check the price before buying. You walk to school every morning. You carry an umbrella on rainy days. You support your brother every day. You take care of your family. You love the mountains. You water the plants every Sunday. You sleep early on weekdays. You read before sleeping every night. They go to school every day. They eat rice for lunch every day. They wake up at 6 every morning. They live in a small house. They switch off the fan before sleeping. They study for 2 hours every night. They carry water bottles to school. They read their books every morning. They buy fruits from the market daily. They go to the market by bicycle. They travel by auto every day. They go to work by bicycle. They visit us every Sunday. They love their grandparents very much. They help each other every day. They eat dinner together every night. They sleep at night every night. They study after dinner every day. They switch off the TV before sleeping. They enjoy the rain every year. Now, we are going to take sentences with he, she, it. The sentences are being formed as per the formula given above. Just pay attention to the formula and pay attention to the sentences. If you do not understand any sentence, translate it in Google Translator and know its meaning in your mother tongue. Okay, let's go. He wakes up early every morning. He brushes his teeth after waking up. He drinks tea every morning. He eats breakfast before going to school. He takes a bath every morning. He sits on the chair every evening. He watches TV after dinner. He opens the window every morning. He locks the door every night. He carries a bag to school every day. He writes with a pen in class. He reads his textbook every evening. He sits in the front row every day. He studies for 2 hours every evening. He goes to the market every Sunday. He buys vegetables every morning. He checks the price before buying. He walks to school every morning. He waits for the bus at the bus stop. He crosses the road carefully. He travels by train every day. He loves his family very much. He helps his mother every day. He goes to work every morning. He waters the plants every morning. He sits under the trees every evening. He studies for 2 hours every night. He reads a book before sleeping. He sleeps at 10 every night. She wakes up at 6 every morning. She takes a bath before going to school. She prays every morning. She cleans the house every morning. She keeps her clothes in the cupboard. She cooks the food in the kitchen every day. She switches off the fan before sleeping. She reads her textbook every morning. She carries a water bottle to school. She wears her school uniform every day. She sits next to her friend in class. She buys fruits from the market daily. She loves mangoes in summer. She bargains at the vegetable stall. She pays the shopkeeper carefully. She carries an umbrella on rainy days. She travels by auto every morning. She buys a ticket before boarding the bus. She takes care of the whole family. She cooks delicious food every day. She wakes up before everyone at home. She sings while cooking in the kitchen. She loves the rain very much. She goes to the garden every morning. She keeps her phone away at night. She reads before sleeping every night. She switches off the lights before sleeping. She sleeps at 9 every night. She studies after dinner every day. Now, below are the sentences of it, in which a place or an object is chosen, described or talked about. It is used like it rings at 6 every morning. Now, what is being talked about in this? This is talking about watches. But the word is not taken directly here, but is spoken because the object is in front of us or we have already started talking about it. So we cannot use the word watch every time. If the alarm or watch is constantly used in our sentence, then the discussion will not be effective. It will be like repeating the same sentence over and over. It rings at 6 every morning, talking about alarm. It starts at 7 every morning, talking about school. It lies on the sofa every evening, talking about cat. It stands near the door every night, talking about dog. It starts at 7 every morning, talking about school bus. It rings at 4 every evening, talking about school bell. It costs 10 rupees, talking about banana. It stops every bus stand, talking about bus. It runs very fast on the track, talking about train. It rises in the east every morning, talking about sun. It shines brightly at night, talking about moon. It flows towards the sea, talking about river. It blooms in the morning, talking about flower. It barks at strangers every night, talking about dog. It glows in the dark every night, talking about night lamps. It falls heavily in July, talking about rain. It blows strongly in summer, talking about wind. It gives us shade and fruits, talking about tree. It sits on the flower every morning, talking about a beautiful butterfly. Now, you have to practice this sentence every day. You have seen the formula and the sentences below, and you must have noticed which verb is used in which place and how interesting sentences are formed accordingly. Now you understand all this. Now after this, there is only one task left, which is practice. You have to practice it a lot and read it a lot. Write these sentences so that they can be embedded in your memory and never be forgotten. Thank you so much.